Hello friends, continue problems based on the derivative of composite function. Let's start. Differentiate log of log x to the base 5 to the base 3 with respect to x. Solution: we have y equal to log of in bracket log x to the base 5 overall log of log x to the base 3, y equal to, we know that change of base property, log a to the base b, log a to the base b is equal to log a upon log b. Log a to the base b, log x to the base 5. Here a x समजा, b 5, log a to the base b, log a upon log b, log of change of base property, log x divided by log 5, log x divided by log 5 base 3. Y is equal to, since log a upon log b equal to log a minus log b, log a upon b equal to log a minus log b, log of numerator minus log of denominator. या प्रॉपर्टी नुसार log x to the base 3 minus log 5 to the base 3. The log numerator to the base 3, log numerator the log x to the base 3 minus log denominator to the base 3. Y is equal to, once again change of base property, log x in the numerator, log x divided by denominator log 3, log x in the numerator, log x divided by log 3 minus log 5 to the base 3. Now differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of y, dy by dx is equal to log 3 constant, d by dx of y, dy by dx is equal to log 3 constant 1 upon log 3 d by dx of numerator, 1 upon log 3 d by dx of log x minus log 5 to the base 3 constant. Note that log 5 constant, 3 constant, log 5 constant to the base 3 constant, derivative constant 0. So derivative 0. dy by dx equal to 1 upon log 3 into d by dx of log x, log x derivative 1 upon log x into d by dx of log x 1 by x, log of bracket derivative 1 upon bracket डी बाय डी सब ब्रॅकेट म्हणजे log x 1 by x and dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x log x log 3. This is the answer. Next problem. 9. Differentiate log of 4 raised to 2x x square plus 2 x square plus 5 root 2x cube minus 4 raised to 3 by 2 with respect to x. Problem बघा. Log of bracket 4 is to 2x in bracket x square plus 5 upon root 2x cube minus 4 bracket raised to 3 by 2 with respect to x. We have y equal to log of 4 raised to 2x x square plus 5 root 2x cube minus 4 raised to 3 by 2. So आपल्याला सिम्प्लिफाय करावं लागते आणि त्यानंतर डिफरन्शिएट. सिम्प्लिफाय करत असताना घातांकाच्या नियमाचा बराचसा उपयोग या ठिकाणी करावा लागतो. log of 4 raised to 2x a upon b raised to m a raised to m upon b raised to m. Numerator x square plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 and your root 2x cube minus 4 raised to 3 by 2 x square plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 root 2x cube minus 4 is 2x cube minus 4 root raised to 1 by 2 and the raised to 3 by 2. Number 1, root 2x cube minus 4 means 2x cube minus 4 raised to 1 by 2 and b raised to m means denominator raised to 3 by 2. 2x cube minus 4 raised to root असल्यामुळे 1 by 2 आणि त्याचा पॉवर 3 by 2 raised to 3 by 2 equal to into log of ab log a plus log b is log 4 raised to 2x plus log x square plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 2x cube minus 4 raised to 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 3 by 4 a raised to m raised to n a raised to mn 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 3 by 4. Y is equal to log of 4 raised to 2x. Once again, log of numerator upon denominator, log of a upon b, log a minus log b, log of x square plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 minus log of 2x cube minus 4 raised to 3 by 4. Y is equal to log m raised to n n log m power 2x log 4 2x log 4. Similarly, log m raised to n 3 by 2 log of x square plus 5u. 3 by 2 log of x square plus 5u minus log m raised to n 3 by 4 log of bracket 3 by 4 log of 2x cube minus 4. That is simplification. Now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, here log 4 constant, log 4 constant, dy by dx of 2x, log 4 constant आहे तसा यावं लागतो, dy by dx 2x 2 जे 2 log 4 plus 3 by 2 log of bracket derivative 1 upon bracket 1 upon x square plus 5 log of x square plus 5 derivative 1 upon x square plus 5 into d by dx of x square 2x plus d by dx of 5 0. नो डाउट करायची गरज नाही. 3 by 2 log of x square plus 5 चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x square plus 5 into x square चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2x. Same 3 by 4 log of 2x cube minus 4 चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon 2x cube minus 4 into 2x cube derivative 3 into 2 6x square minus 4 derivative 0 2 log 4 here 2 cancel 3x upon x square plus 5 minus the 2 3 into 3 9x square 3 into 3 9x square upon 2 into 2x cube minus 4. dy by dx is equal to 2 log 4 2 cancel 3x upon x square plus 5 minus 9x square upon 2 into 2x cube minus 4. This is the answer. Next problem. If y equal to 25 log sec x to the base 5 minus 16 raised to log tan x to the base 4, then find dy by dx. Y is equal to 25 raised to log sec x to the base 5 minus 16 raised to log tan x to the base 4. Raised to log sec x to the base 5. The relation between the base of exponent and base of logarithm. The base of exponent 25, base of the exponent 25 and base of logarithm 5. 25 is 5 square. Here base of the exponent 16 and base of the logarithm 4. 16 converted 4 square. We have y equal to 25 log sec x to the base 5 minus 16 log tan x to the base 4. Now first change, y is equal to 25 5 square log sec x to the base 5 minus 16 4 square log tan x to the base 4. A raised to m raised to n, a raised to m raised to n, a raised to mn, म्हणजे 2 into log of sec x base to the 5. Y is equal to 5, 2 into 2 into log of sec x to the base 5. Similarly, 4 raised to 2 into log of tan x to the base 4. Y is equal to, we know that m log m raised to m, n log m raised to m, n log m 2 इतगत जे 5 raised to log of sec x 2 into the 2 base 5. Similarly, 4 log tan x to the base 4, n log m raised to n 2. Since a raised to log fx base 8 equal to fx, base of exponent and logarithmic base 10, so 5 sec square, y equal to sec x bracket square minus 4 base of exponent 4 logarithmic base 4 same 5 sec square x base logarithmic base same tan x bracket square tan x bracket square x. Y is equal to, therefore y is equal to sec square x minus tan square x. Fundamental identity, 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. Therefore sec square x minus tan square x 1. The y is equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to dy dx of 101. This is the answer. Next problem. If f of x is equal to root 7 9x minus 3, g of 3 equal to 4, and g dash of 3 is equal to 5, find f dash of 3. Given that f of x equal to root 7 9 g of x minus 3, g of 3 4, g dash of 3 5, given. Solution given that f of x is equal to root 7 into 9x minus 3. F of x is equal to root 7 into 9x minus 3. Differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of f of x, f dash of x. d by dx of root 1 upon 2 root. As it is 7 9x minus 3 into d by dx of entire root 7 9x minus 3. F dash of x is equal to 1 upon 2 root 7 into 9x minus 3 into d by dx of 7 into g of x. 7 constant, d by dx of g of x, g dash of x. G dash of x. d by dx of 3, 0. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to 7 g dash of x upon 2 root 7 into g of x minus 3. Now, find f dash of 3. Here f dash of x, f dash of x and f dash of 3, for x equal to 3, for x equal to 3, we get f dash of x, f dash of 3, x is equal to 3 for x equal to 3, we get x3 f dash of 3 7 g dash of 3 divided by 2 root g of 3 minus 3 equal 7 into g dash of 3. G dash of 3 equal to 5 since given g dash of 3 equal to 5 5 2 root 7 g of 3 given that g of 3 4 g of 3 is equal to 4 which is 7 into 4 minus 3. Therefore, f dash of 3 is equal to 7 into 5 35 divided by 2 into root 7 into 4 28 28 minus 3 25 root 25 is equal to 35 upon 2 into 5 7 by 2. F dash of 3 is equal to 7 by 2. This is the answer.